Types of entitlement in Leave Tracker. When an organization is setting up their leave types in the system, the leave type can be categorized into two, that is, policy-based entitlement leave types or grant-based entitlement leave types. So let's explore both these options. A policy-based entitlement leave type is nothing but where system automatically credit leaves to the employees based on the policy set. For example, you have casual leave that credits leave to an employee 12 days per year. So every year, the employee will be credited with 12 days automatically. This is called a policy-based entitlement leave type. On the other hand, we have grant-based entitlement leave type, which is nothing but system will not automatically credit leaves to the employees. That is, employee has to request, that is, they have to make a request in the system to get the leave balance. Let's take an example of study leave. So your organization has a leave policy for study leave. However, you will not be crediting leaves automatically to your employees. Whenever an employee is in need of taking study leave, they will first raise a request, get the leave balance, and then utilize the leave balance. If this is the condition, you can create study leave as a grant-based entitlement leave type. In order to do that, we'll have to navigate to Settings, Leave Tracker, Configuration, Leave Policy, click on Add Leave Policy. So here we have three different options. So the first two options, Fixed Entitlement, Experience-Based Entitlement, are categorized as policy-based entitlement leave types. And then you have grant-based entitlement. So if you're going to create a policy-based entitlement leave type, you will select between any one of these options, or you will go with the option grant-based entitlement. Now let's see how an employee will be able to differentiate a policy-based entitlement and grant-based entitlement leave type. So as an employee, they will access the Leave Tracker module, and under Leave Summary, all the leave types that they are applicable to will be listed. So here you can see study leave, casual leave, sick leave, and compensatory off. Casual leave, the employee has an available leave balance of 10 days, and sick leave, the employee has an available leave balance of 37.25 days. But when it comes to study leave, the available leave balance is 0 because study leave is created as a grant-based entitlement in the system. So if an employee wants to apply for study leave, the first step is to raise a request, which is called leave grant request. So in the same page, they will see an option called leave grant. So an employee must go here, click on add request, select a particular grant-based entitlement leave type, effective from the number of days that they want, and they will submit this request. If approvals are configured for this particular leave grant request, then this request will be forwarded to approval. Once the request is approved, the required number of days will get added to the study leave balance. And once the balance is credited, the employee can apply for leave using this apply leave button. This is how grant-based entitlement works for an employee. In case of policy-based entitlement, that is casual leave, where system automatically credit leaves to an employee. In this scenario, it is going to be a one-step process for an employee to apply for leave because the employee already has leave balance, which is 10 days. So if an employee wants to apply for casual leave, they can directly click on apply leave, mention the from and to date, and they will be able to submit a leave application. This is about the types of entitlement when creating a leave type in Leave Tracker module.